Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Loginate, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to block an email address on Microsoft Outlook. So first of all, launch Outlook app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now in order to block an email, simply select that specific email that you wish to block. Now at the bottom right corner, you'll see three dots option. Tap on it. Now from here, you'll see various options. Over here, you'll see the option of block sender. Simply tap on it. Now, once you block that specific user, this and all future emails from that specific person or that specific sender will be moved to the junk email folder. So tap on the option of block sender. So that's how simply you will be able to block an email address on Outlook. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.